What's up? So look, there's this company called AlphaInfuse who hit me up and asked me to do a sponsored video on their hair regrowth solution kit. And of course, I said yes. No, truthfully, I told them no. I decided to spend my own money on this so that I could give an honest review without any outside influences. So I got this in the mail today. I am super excited to get started. But first, let me give you a look at the device, on how to use it, and whether or not I think this is going to be worth the money. So let's go. Here's me impatiently opening these the moment that I got them. These are the serums that you'll be applying to your scalp, and on the other side are the devices that you'll be using to apply the serums. I'll explain how we'll use these a little later in the video. The reason I even decided to try AlphaInfuse, though, is because of this animation that I kept running across everywhere. And it really just explains how it works and how it differs from some of the other options that are available to you. In fact, I'm going to put the animation right after this so you all can see what it is that I'm talking about. This is me just showing the needling. I think these are 0.5, but check this animation out. Alpha Infuse includes natural ingredients such as peppermint oil, Eclipta prostrata extract, rosemary leaf extract, ginger root extract, Panax ginseng, and licorice root extract. At a certain point, the body can start to overproduce dihydrotestosterone, otherwise known as, you guessed it, DHT. Higher levels of it can and will shrink your hair follicles, thus shortening your hair growth cycle, which results in hair loss. Topical products will often just sit on the scalp, minimally contacting the follicle because of poor absorption. So instead of just sitting on your scalp like most topicals, the microinfusion device creates these tiny channels to push the serum straight to your follicles, as you can see here in this demonstration. So with precise and consistent use, you can start to see regrowth over time if the follicle isn't already dead or suffering from some sort of scar tissuing. And really, that is the magic of Alpha Infuse. All right, full disclosure, I already opened one of these. I just didn't know that you couldn't close it once you opened it. So I want to talk you through the process of opening this without actually doing it. All right. So here, there's 3 layers of protection. You have this white plastic cap, the foil that's underneath the cap, and then there's a rubber stopper underneath the foil in the cap. So what you want to do is locate this arrow that's on top of the cap. And you take your fingernail and you place it in the ridge between the foil and the cap, and you pull in the direction of the arrow. What that will do is simultaneously take off the cap and rip the foil in half. Okay, so you pull the cap all the way and remove the foil and the cap together because they're connected. From there, it'll expose the stopper that's underneath, and you pop the stopper out, and that'll give you access to the fluid that's on the inside. And it should look something like this once you've popped the stopper out. Okay, so you have the fluid and here's the stopper. Now that we have our serum open, we need to transfer it to our device's vial. It is a very straightforward process, but I do want to point out that there's a cap here, right, that exposes the microinfusion technology that we do not have to worry about in this moment. We want to unscrew the cap like this because we're going to be transferring the fluid from the original vial to our device's vial. So you just take it and you pour it in like Dexter's laboratory. Welcome to my laboratory, right? Sorry for the corniness. So you'll take it and pour it in, and then you'll just return the cap to it like this. And now we can remove this cap to expose the microneedling technology. And how this works, there's this little button here that's pressed because this device is used upside down. There's this little button that's pressed that that releases the serum simultaneously as the microneedling is being pressed into your scalp, right? So I'm going to demonstrate how this works. I do have a thing with needles, but I have more of a thing with results, so I'm gonna just have to push through. Okay, so you'll locate your problem area, right? And clearly I got that young George Jefferson, so it's not hard to locate. You turn it upside down and you'll start to press the device into the scalp to release the serum as the microneedling is being pressed into your scalp, right? So most people, they try shampoos, pills, topicals, or whatever, and it sits on the surface of your scalp and it never really penetrates, and that's why you don't see a ton of hair regrowth. Microneedling, there is a science to it. With controlled microneedling, it triggers like a healing response that increases blood flow and growth factors in the scalp. And some studies have shown that it can help with like pattern baldness, right? So The way that AlphaInfuse differs from some of its competitors, and I've used the others like derma rollers, derma pens, derma stamps. I've used minoxidil, finasteride, dutasteride, hair regrowth oils, and those are two-step processes. So like you'll come in with the derma roller, and then you'll have to come with like the minoxidil or some sort of hair regrowth serum after, and there's not really a lot of absorption. The way that the micro infusion system works with this alpha infuse is, like I said earlier, it simultaneously pushes the serum into directly to the follicles, which really promotes like a 300% more absorption rate than some of its competitors. And to me, that sets it head and shoulders above everyone else. And it's fairly quick and simple. You only have to do this once a week, and I've been talking, so it's been a little longer than I probably would do this, just because I wanted to kind of really nail in how simple it is and kind of talk through some of the benefits for it. But I'm just about done now. Like I said, fairly simple, once a week. Um, Alpha Infuse, man, for real. We have to address concerns. For me, it was needling. So no, it is not painless, but it is manageable. It kind of feels like light pricks on your scalp. So if that's it, it's definitely worth giving it a try. Plus, the bruises created by it boost blood flow and promotes hair growth, which has been clinically shown to improve androgenic alopecia. If your thing is results, most people will see less shedding in a week and baby hairs in 2 to 4 weeks. There is a 120-day money back guarantee and up to 70% off plus free delivery. So you can try this with no risks at all. Like anyone else, I was mortified when I realized my hair loss. I wore hats every day for over 10 years, but I searched and searched and found solutions. So wherever you are on your regrowth journey, share it in the comments so that we can start the dialogue and build community. And if you feel led to try, click the link or use the code in my bio and make sure to like and subscribe. All right, y'all, it's been real. Peace.